Hello grade 5, I wish you are right today. Let's start our new lesson, which is called the circulatory system. As you know, the first step when you go to the doctor, he check up the health of your body or the pressure of your body. So he check up of the health of your circulatory system. Let's know about it and its components, okay? What is the function of your circulatory system? It transports digested food, and we know in grade 4, after digested food, yes, you can get or benefit from it and get energy. So transport the digested food or oxygen and water to all the body cells, and transport also the wastes and the harmful substance from the cells to the organs to get rid of it by the urinary system, and you will know it. Third, helps to keep the body healthy, helps you to attack any microbes or to attack the germs around you. So there is an important function of the circulatory system. First, yes, transport the digested food and oxygen to all the body cells, and transport the wastes from cells, yes, to special organs to get rid of them, and helps to keep the body healthy. Let's know the circulatory system components. First, it consists of heart, blood vessels, and blood. Again, heart, the blood vessels, and blood. First, the heart. As we know that the heart, it's a hollow organ. It's a hollow organ. Its size about your fist. Its size about your fist. And we know that it's between the two lungs. It's between what? The two lungs. If I can find the heart between the two lungs. There are the two lungs and the heart between them. Yes, especially to the left. Okay. So its size about, yes, the size in your fist, and it's located inside just the chest cavity. It's located in the chest cavity between the two lungs. The heart. What is the function of the heart? Pump the blood to all the body cells. So it has an important function. What is it? To pump the blood to all your body cells. So the heart, again, inside your chest cavity between the two lungs. Its size about your fist. Let's know about the heart structure. The heart consists of 4 chambers and 2 sides. Again, 4 chambers and 2 sides. Between the 2 sides, there is a thin wall. Why? To prevent the blood mixing. So, the thin wall prevents the blood from mixing. And there are 4 chambers. Between the upper chambers and the lower, there is a valve. Why there is a valve? To prevent the blood to return back. So the blood has only one direction. Okay? So there is a thin wall between the 2 sides. This is the thin wall between the left side and the right side and the left side. Okay? Why? To prevent the blood mixing. What about the valve between the upper and lower chambers? Why? To prevent the blood to return back. So the blood has, yes, only one direction. The 4 chambers, the upper are called atria, and the lower are called ventricles. So the 4 chambers, the upper are called atria, and the lower chambers are called ventricle. And we said there is a valve between the atrium and the ventricle. Why? Yes, excellent. To prevent the blood to return back. know about the second part, blood vessels. We said about the first part, which is called heart. The blood vessels is the second part, which consists of arteries, blood capillaries, and veins. Again, arteries and blood capillaries and veins. Artery, blood capillaries, and veins. Let's compare between the arteries and veins. According to their definitions, they are thick. So artery, they are thick. Comes from what? Come from the heart. Out the heart. So the artery, they are thick. Comes from the heart, yes. What about veins? They are thin. They are thin. That comes from the cells, begin as the body cells and open in the heart. Again, me am as a heart. So the artery comes from the heart. They are very thick. Comes from the heart to all the body cells. And yes, veins, they are very thin, begin at the body cells and yes, open in the heart. The second comparison, function. They carry, the arteries carry the blood from the heart to all the body cells, carry digested food or carry oxygen, carry water. So arteries carry the blood from the heart to all the body cells. And the opposite in veins, they carry from all the body cells to the heart, carbon dioxide, any wasted from all the body cells to the heart. What about the type of blood? Arteries carry blood rich in oxygen, except pulmonary artery. It's rich in carbon dioxide. What about the veins? Carry blood rich in carbon dioxide, except pulmonary vein, which is, yes, rich in oxygen. So, artery carry oxygen, but veins carry, yes, the blood rich in carbon dioxide. Let's know examples of artery, aorta, and pulmonary artery. What about veins? Vena cava and pulmonary vein. Third, blood capillaries. They are a network of tiny blood vessels, the smallest blood vessels with very thin wall. Why? Because, yes, the gas is exchanging through it. So, the blood capillary, the gases exchange through it. And we know the gases exchange in the lungs, especially in alveoli. Let's know about the blood, the third component of the circulatory system. We talked about heart and, yes, blood vessels and the blood. The blood consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, blood platelets, and plasma. Okay? Let's know about the red blood cells. They are red cells, okay, with no nuclei, like this, with no nuclei. What is the function of the red blood cells? They carry oxygen from the lungs to all the body cells and return back the carbon dioxide from all the body to the lungs. Why? To get rid of through exhalation. So, the red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to all the body cells to give you energy to have the ability to do works. But they carry the carbon dioxide from the body cells to the lungs to get rid of through exhalation. What about the white blood cells? They are white cells with different nuclei shapes, like this. They haven't the same shapes. What is the function of the white blood cells? They attack any microbes or germs like coronavirus. So your white blood cells attack any virus according around you. Third, blood platelets. When you hurt, they help in healing wounds by stop bleeding and turn the liquid or the blood in the liquid state to a solid or to make a layer of the skin. So blood platelets stopping the bleeding. What about the plasma? It's a yellow liquid which all the blood components exist and float in it. What is the function? It carries food to body cells, then carry the waste from the cells to get rid of them by special organs. We said that the blood pump is pumped by the heart, from the cells to the heart and from the heart to the cell. So let's know about the blood circulation or the circulation of the blood through the heart. First, from the right atrium to the right ventricle by pulmonary artery, reach of carbon dioxide. Then to the lungs. In lungs, the gases exchange from the carbon dioxide to oxygen. So the blood carry the oxygen to left atrium, then to left ventricle, from upper to lower, through aorta. Then the blood carry the oxygen to all your body cells to give you energy and to burn the digested food. So this is the circulation of the blood in your body. But how to keep your circulatory system healthy? Eat healthy food. Of course, if you eat healthy food, you can keep your circulatory system healthy. What else? Drink enough amounts of water, especially in the summer. What else? Avoid smoking, because it leads to death. Keep exercising. So you should know how to keep your body or keep your circulatory system healthy. This is our lesson today. I wish you understood your circulatory system.